Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your essential ingredients for a delightful Zobo cocktail. You'll need about 1 cup of dried hibiscus leaves, half a cup of chopped fresh pineapple, and a 2-inch piece of ginger, peeled and sliced. For sweetness, have half a cup of sugar or your preferred alternative ready. Don't forget 4 cups of water and your chosen spirit, like white rum or vodka, to complete this refreshing drink. Now let's create the flavorful Zobo base. Combine the dried hibiscus leaves, chopped pineapple, and sliced ginger in a pot with 4 cups of water. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. This process allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together. Afterward, carefully strain the liquid, discarding the solids, to get your concentrated Zobo juice. With your strained Zobo base still warm, it's time to add the sweetener. Stir in about half a cup of sugar or adjust to your taste until it completely dissolves. This ensures a perfectly balanced flavor. Once sweetened, let the Zobo base cool down to room temperature. For the best results, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or until it is thoroughly chilled before mixing your cocktails. Finally, it's time to mix your delicious Zobo cocktail. In a glass, combine about 3 parts chilled Zobo base with 1 part of your preferred spirit, such as white rum or vodka. Add plenty of ice. For a sparkling touch, top it off with a splash of soda water or a little pineapple juice. Garnish with a fresh pineapple wedge or a lime slice for an elegant finish. Enjoy your homemade Zobo cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.